Year to ya, and welcome to the first episode of Food and the Single Guy of 2024. I am still your very own Amaru. Now, to ring in the new year, we are going to make some prawn niblets, and I'm going to serve them with my very delicious, my very tropical pineapple, passion fruit, and mint sauce. Actually, it's not so much of a sauce, it is much more of a chutney, or rather a combination between a chutney and a sauce. But it's delicious nonetheless, and it goes very well with prawns and chicken. I'm sure it will go well with meats. I haven't tested the sauce on meats yet, but I'm going to, and I'm going to show you how to make that sauce in a separate video. But as I said, to ring in the new year, we are going to dazzle our guests with some prawn niblets. Ooh, honey, when I tell you they were delicious. And this is a very easy recipe. Even if you don't know how to cook, you will not be able to mess it up. Okay, it's very easy, and like I said, you will be dazzling your guests. All right? Now, as for me, I'm going to list all the ingredients for you in the information box below the episode. So without further ado, let us march ourselves into the kitchen. Okay, you guys, so what I have here are my jumbo red Argentinian prawns. And I purchased these at the local supermarket in the frozen food section, and I love them. Look at how big these things are. Oh my word, and I love a big one. Now, what I'm going to do next, I am going to thaw them in a basin of water. Then I'm going to peel them and devein them. And then I am going to wash them with lemon juice. Yes, that's the way we do things back home. So that's what I'm going to do next. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I have just peeled and deveined my prawns. Don't they look gorgeous? And I have placed them in this bowl of water. To the water now, I am going to add the juice of half of a lemon, just like so. There we go. Don't add too much lemon juice because the acidity of the lemons has a tendency to, for lack of a better term, cook the shrimp, and that is not what you want, okay? So I'm simply going to place the rest of the lemon in the water and give it a gentle stir, just like so. And then you're going to allow this to sit for about 5 minutes, and then you're going to rinse the prawns and then season them. Okay, you guys, so the prawns are washed and I've drained them in a colander. I am now going to season them with a dusting of garlic powder, just like so. And we're also going to add a little bit of ginger. Right, there we go. Next, we're gonna add a dusting of black pepper, just like that. We're also gonna add a little bit of chili powder for some kick. There we go. Now, I'm also going to add a little bit of kentjor, and you've seen me use this spice on my channel before. It is also known as sand ginger, and it is very strong, and if you can find this in your neck of the woods, do not use too much of it because it will overpower your dish. Okay? Next, I'm going to add a little bit of chicken powder. Yes. Just like that. Next, what I'm going to add is some Thai fish sauce, just a droplet, like so. Keep in mind that this thing is very salty, so don't use too much of it. And last but not least, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic oil. Just like that. This will do. And of course, we are going to mix all of the spices into the prawns. Just like this. Oh, it smells delicious already. Baby, let me tell you. Okay, you guys, so next we're going to cover this bowl with some aluminum foil, and then we're going to place this in the fridge and allow the prawns to marinate for about a half an hour to an hour. So I think it is now time for us to have a look at our prawn niblets. They have been marinating in the fridge, and here they are. And don't they look gorgeous? And I can tell you they smell gorgeous too. So next, what we're gonna do, we are going to take these bad boys to the grill. Oh yes! Okay, you guys, so to my grill, I'm gonna add some of this garlic flavored oil. There we go. And of course, as soon as the oil is hot, we're going to add the prawns. And I think we're ready. Here we go. And the prawns don't take a lot of time to cook, you guys. Keep that in mind. You want to cook them for about a minute to a minute and a half. At the very max, 2 minutes. And then they are ready to be served. Alright? So these look about done to me. So I think it is now time for the final presentation. Now how about this for a final presentation? Doesn't it look gorgeous? And boo-boo, let me tell you, it was gorgeous too. I'm not gonna lie to you. Now, as mentioned beautifully on the episode, this is a very simple dish to prepare. Anybody can prepare this dish. It would take a lot of effort on your part to mess this one up, okay? I think the only thing that could mess this one up is if you overcook the prawns. And I've explained to you that is not what you should do. Do not overcook the prawns, okay? Now, if you decide to try my prawn niblets in an effort to dazzle your company, let me know how it turned out because I'm always interested in hearing from you. In the meantime, Happy New Year yet again, and until we meet again, my friends, have a good one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.